What's up, YouTube? Good morning. So just a little update on the BB9 build. I've been working on 3D printing, fast and furious. We've got 3D printers printing. Three 3D printers printing. Doing the Carrie Christie sphere here. As you can see, a lot of the parts are printed. Some are assembled. I've got my triangles over here. I've started gluing together. And then I've got my box of parts here I'm working on. And in the other room, I still have prints going. Hoping to get the static ball done, hopefully by the end of this month. We'll see how that goes. This project's more of a side project because I have family matters, to deal with all the time, and other home projects, including master bathroom renovation that I'm in the midst of doing. As a matter of fact, here's my master bathroom renovation I've been working on. This house was built in the 60s, and it had a very old, grungy 1960s shower, and we've taken and converted it to a nice open shower with a niche over there, edge drain at the bottom, slate floor tile, and Carrara marble walls. Lots and lots of tile. So this is a work in progress. Hope to finish soon. Hopefully maybe this coming weekend. Still got a lot of work to do on the ceiling. And going to fix that hole up there, texture the ceiling. I'm going to finish the partition here, and I'm going to get some tempered glass to go in the partition. There's always something going on around here. What are you looking at? Huh? And this is my Akita Hana. What are you looking at? Crazy dog. Anyhow, back to the BB9 project. I am going to use Joe's drive. I started printing off parts for that. Started ordering the servos and other pieces, parts, nuts, bolts, rods that are required to get that built. And I have family coming out in April, so I was hoping to maybe have BB9 up and running by the time they get out here, since they are Star Wars fans. Anyhow, we'll see how this goes. You guys have a great day. Please do subscribe. The more that subscribe, the more I'll make content. And my life is rather complex, so I can make a lot of content about the various hobbies that I have and things that go on in my life. Anyhow, y'all have a good day, and please do subscribe. See ya.